Good morning, class. It is question number 2 of last exercise of straight line. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and making with the coordinate axis a triangle of area 3/8 square unit. Now, equation of family of lines passes through the intersection of 2x plus y minus 1 equal 0 and x plus 3y minus 2 equal 0 is first line L1 plus lambda L2 now it can be written as 2 plus lambda x 1 plus 3 lambda y minus 1 minus 2 lambda equal 0, and it is 2 plus lambda now x change it in intercept form. We have x upon 1 plus 2 lambda by 2 plus lambda, y upon 1 plus 2 lambda by 1 plus 3 lambda equal 1. Now if let it is L1 and it is L2 and it is equation of line AB passes through the intersection of L1 and L2 and cuts off an intercept of length OB from x-axis, which is 1 plus 2 lambda by 2 plus lambda, and OA from y-axis, it is 1 plus. Then the area of triangle is AOB is 3/8 square unit. It is given. Now area of triangle AOB is 3/8 square unit. Now area of triangle AOB can be obtained by 1/2 base into height, then 1/2 base is OB, means intercept on x-axis, which is 1 plus 2 lambda by 2 plus lambda, into intercept on y-axis, which is 1 plus 2 lambda by 1 plus 3 lambda equal 3/8. Now we have 4 into 1 plus 2 lambda square equal 3 into 2 plus lambda 1 plus 3 lambda. Now open the bracket. We have 4 plus 16 lambda square 16 lambda equal 6 plus 18 lambda 3 lambda plus 9 lambda square. Now 7 lambda square is 18, 3, 21, 16 minus 21 minus 5, and 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now we have to find two factors of 14 whose difference is 5. Then it is lambda minus 1, 7 lambda plus 2 equal 0. Then value of lambda is 1 or minus 2 by 7. Now put the value of lambda in equation 1. It is equation 1. When lambda equal 1, we have 3x plus 4y equal 3. Which is required equation. When lambda equal minus 2 by 7, then we have (12 by 7x plus 1 by 7y 3 by 7, which implies 12x plus y equal 3, which is required equation.